That thing is so clean, bro. Just ran into him on the freeway. That's a midnight purple wrap. That color is so nice. That was actually one of the colors I wanted to do too. That thing looks sick on a GTR. He also has the Nismo bumpers, the front and rear. I want to know you guys' opinion. Should I do the bumpers? It just looks so clean, bro. Yeah, guys, that's the Nismo rear bumper. And he did the Nismo front bumper and the Nismo fenders, I think. I don't know. That might be a pretty sick little body kit to put on my GTR. I know in like the BMW community, that's just not something you do. Put like M bumpers on a non-M car, but I wouldn't say it's a Nismo. The bumpers just look so clean. It just looks super aggressive. What do you guys think? More stickers? Always some big ballers when we visit Sammy. Just a random Rolls Royce just cruising around. Anyways, guys, we're meeting with the homie Sammy. We made it to his apartment right now. And then we're gonna head to this little car meet. Let's see what other cool cars they have. What is that, F80? It is an F80. Sheesh. The 8. That one looks pretty sick. What's up, guys? You're watching another video. So yeah, like I said, we're meeting with the homie Sammy. Then we're heading to this little car meet up the street from his house. It's like a Toyo Tires event. Probably gonna be some really nice cars there. Every single time Toyo throws like an event like this, there's some really sick builds. Should be pretty cool. We got the homie Sammy with the Aventador. I think Kix is pulling up in his Nismo. Look, guys, we just made it to Sammy's house. And you can see my GTR way down there. GTR just chilling over there by itself. I don't know who decided to park next to me. Don't you guys hate when someone parks right next to you and you park far for a reason? Sheesh. The Lambo's out. Mr. Must Be Nice. And then we got the homie with the Hellcat. I guess this thing's pushing over 1,000. Oh shit, look who it is. Sick ass food. Fresh kid? That shit's so hard, bro. That's a real Nismo. 1,000 horsepower Hellcat, which will probably smoke all of us. I'm down to race them. I want to see the difference between a 1,000 horsepower Hellcat versus my full bolt on GTR. It'll be pretty sick. Oh my god. That shit is loud. Oh my god, bro. Kix is trying to get a stay rev on. Oh my god, that shit's loud. The dig? I don't know what happened to Sammy. I think he stalled. The car stalled. This Lexus started revving it. And Sammy started revving it. Holy shit, bro. Those pops sound insane. Alright, guys, we made it. And look how packed this place is. There's so many people, bro. There's another GTR. All the GTRs. Man, that shit got chrome TE37. Hey, look who it is. How you doing? What's up, bro? Another GTR and another one, bro. There's so many GTRs.
I hope that's fast.
What's up?
We raced this. We raced it tonight.
You want to race? It's packed, guys. There's so many people here. E46s, 2 of them. We parked right here in the middle of the street. We got Sammy's car, Kix. Drake?
Yeah.
Look at this, guys. DD just pulled up in their Lambo. They literally cut the windshield off of a Huracan, guys. That's insane. I can't believe that. This is the first time seeing their cars in person. You should do this to yours.
Huh?
Do that to yours.
Do that to my Aventador. Yeah.
Let's cut the Aventador windshield off. Oh my god, bro. That is insane. That must be so crazy to drive. Damn, guys, look at this place. This place looks crazy.
I need that.
That shit is sick, bro. Oh my god. This is one of the sickest Audis I've ever seen. Little wagon and that midnight purple color. I've seen it everywhere. An R33 with some work wheels. Damn, this thing looks so sick, bro. What is it, E30 M3? Looks super clean. This shit looks mint, bro. Look at the seats in here. We got like new Recaros. Some sick ass Recaro seats. Oh my god, bro. This is a sick ass little setup. The Ferrari just sitting under these lights. That shit looks beautiful. I'm pretty sure that's like $1 million Ferrari right there. The F40, right? I knew there was gonna be some crazy cars here. Every time Toyo throws an event, there's like crazy ass show builds. Like, look at this shit. It's insane. That shit's so nice, bro. RX-7 would be a fun car to have. Look at all that, bro. That's like a quality build right there. That's a show car, 100%. A wide body Porsche. Holy crap, bro. Look at the wing on this thing. The wing is bigger than the car. Those wheels are crazy. The interior is literally crazy. That shit's sick. Look at all these GTRs, guys. I don't think this is the one I saw on the freeway. I think this is a different one. That's midnight purple. See, I want to do that color, but now there's 2 GTRs that color. I cannot be a third one. This one's crazy. That thing is definitely not stock. Probably like 1,000 horsepower. Wow, bro, he has the seats that I want. I wanted to get these seats for my E92, but they look good in GTRs. Bro, his interior is so clean. I feel like my interior does not look like this. It did look like this when I first bought the car, but I feel like I already messed my interior up. Another GTR. There's a lot of GTRs here. This thing has the full like Veris kit. This kit is sick too, but I think it's hella expensive. What the heck? You put a GTR logo? I've never seen that before. Sick ass Evo. Sheesh. That thing's clean. Super clean. Another midnight purple. Everyone's doing this rap, bro. Everybody. Look at this GT3, guys. GT3 RS. Woo. An RX-7. Dude, what is this? That shit's crazy. Bro, I feel like all the cars here have some crazy ass shit done to them. It's like literally show cars everywhere. I feel like we're at a car show, not a car meet. Damn, F80 M3 with some BBS's. Thing's clean. Look at this thing, guys. A 240 with an LS turbo in it. Oh my god, this thing is sick, and it's red. Bro, that shit is perfect. I'll buy it right now. That's goals right there. LS and a turbo, and it's red. Guys, I want a 240 so bad. I feel like the mods are like endless on these things. You can do so much different things, and they all look like completely different. This one's sick. Nardo gray. I found some more GTRs, guys. There's so many GTRs here. I need to do a carbon hood on mine. I think the carbon is like, it looks so sick. Especially with the carbon trunk on too. This is the one I saw on the freeway earlier, and it looks so clean. That color is beautiful. Even though a lot of people do it, it looks really good on a GTR. I should have did it before everyone. That shit looks nice. It's the Nismo bumper, and he did the fenders and the rear bumper. So it's not a Nismo, he just put the body kit on it. It doesn't look too bad, honestly. I love the fenders with the carbon right here. Pink wheels on the McLaren, and the tint's like pink too. Sick, it's unique. With green brakes. An E36 M3. This thing is so clean. Oh, that's what I wanted to do, bro. I wanted to put a roll cage in mine so bad. Damn, dude, I miss mine so much. Look how clean it is. Like, I miss driving it. It was such a fun car to just cruise in. He has my wheels on it too. It looks insane with the roll cage. That's the only thing I was missing, guys. I was missing the wing and the roll cage.
I'm gonna go take a picture of my idol. I'm gonna go ask him for a picture.
It's so stupid, bro.
That's weird. No, that's weird.
Oh, I get ran over. Look, guys, this is a 1,000 horsepower Hellcat that we want to race. He's not messing around. 1,000 horsepower, bro. I really want to see what my GTR could do against it, though. I'm probably gonna get smoked, but I do want to see. I need to make my GTR faster, guys. I'm getting too used to it. Like, it just feels like it's fast, don't get me wrong, but I'm already used to it. I need to do the turbos ASAP. This shit sounds great. He just remote started it. Oh, he did it with his phone? Am I tripping out? Someone remote started it. That shit sounds crazy. I think it's a Liberty Walk kit. Sheesh, that thing is crazy. You know how expensive this wide body kit is? I don't know the actual price. I think it was like somewhere like 50,000 if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. Something crazy. And another GTR. Bro, how many GTRs are here? This is probably like the 12th GTR I've seen. That's actually the color Amza has on his E92 M3. Woo. Another red 240. That thing is beautiful. On polished wheels. Wow, but that shit's clean. What's up, bro? Rev it! Look how crazy this car is. Like, it's literally $1 million Ferrari. The interior is freaking mint. This thing is so nice, bro. F40. Oh my god, look at the exhaust. Damn, guys, look at this. I'm pretty sure this is the white one that we saw a few weeks ago. He already changed up the wrap. The two matching Ferraris. And a Performante. Woo. This shit is crazy. He has so much stuff going on. How'd they even design this? I don't really know what I'm looking at, but it looks cool. Is that from Minecraft? Oh my god, bro. Sammy owes me a new wrap. Guys, look, I'm driving home and look what I ran into. An E92 M3 and it sounds so freaking sick. Oh, I missed mine, bro. That thing sounds crazy. But that shit sounds sick. Oh, I missed my car so much. That shit just screams, bro. It's not even stepping on it. Crap, bro. Damn it, dude, I missed mine.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.